first of all, guys, let me show you my current glasses. I might look cute because I have makeup on, but this is not it. This is not it. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Dorcas here. So I know you guys are wondering why I have glasses on. I know, they're super cute, super stylish, right? But one fun fact about me is that I actually do wear glasses. I cannot see without my glasses, so I love my glasses here, you know. I can see. So today's video is sponsored by Voogueme, which is a glasses company, a super affordable glasses company. And they sent me a few pair of glasses, so let's get right in to see what they sent me. So let's start off with the boxing. So here's the box. Comes in a nice little box, which says Voogueme or Voogueme, however you say it. It's a measuring thing for your eye to see the distance of your pupils. And then they also added, this is a keychain slash screwdriver just to adjust your glasses in case they get loose. Because you know that usually happens no matter how expensive the glasses are. And each pair of glasses come in a nice case. So you can either get a blue case. You can't really choose what case you get, but comes in a blue case. That's how the inside looks. Or an orange case. Plastic case, and it has like the cushioning at the bottom. And also they all come with dusters just to clean off your glasses. And a duster also says Voogueme. That is super cute. So back to these. These were $25.19, and these are called the Annie Cat Eye Transparent Crystal Clear Glasses with the gold detail at the side, if you guys can see. Let me take them off so you can see. It's a nice gold detail. Yep. With rhinestones. Yeah. Okay. And just to let you guys know, these glasses are just not for fashion. They're #1 for fashion, but they're also prescription glasses. So you can put your prescription in these glasses. That is so amazing. And the price of these glasses were $25.19. Can you imagine $25 for these super cute, fashionable glasses? I love them. The next pair of glasses I got were these black Marissa Cat Eye black eyeglasses. And these are cute for like everyday, like my go-to glasses. That's the reason why I chose these. I love the cat eye, especially because I'm always rocking my short haircut. They're $22.69, and it comes in 4 other colors. Let me move these up so you guys can see. It's like this matte black kind of material, and they're really cute. I know you can see. Very sturdy, very lightweight. So you guys see that I have makeup on, and look, there's no dent on my nose from the makeup. Can y'all see that? No dent. Next, I got this Cold Beauty Classic Pack. So the Classic Pack comes with these cute earrings. Ooh. But let me show y'all, alright? And this is the color Tawn. These are like real, especially my bald head. Like, it gives me that like, damn, mom, you real fashionable, you real cute. I feel like summertime, I would kill these glasses in the summertime. Like, what? These are like bomb, like nice material. You can still see my face because obviously it's clear, like, but it's like bomb. Like, who's really gonna check me type of glasses? And I love these. I really do love these. I love them all. I love all the glasses I got. And to be honest, like, I wasn't too sure what I was gonna get myself into because I know glasses are usually expensive. I didn't know that you can get eyeglasses for so cheap. Like, I'm excited. I know how hard it was for me to find affordable glasses, so Voogueme definitely like saved my life because I was looking crazy. I really was. Make sure you guys shop Voogueme, and my coupon code will be below so you guys can get 15% off your next order. And let me know how it goes. Comment down below. Thank you guys for watching. I appreciate you guys. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.